is an Amber Alert. The East Hartford Police have requested an Amber Alert. A child is missing and your help is needed. Police are looking for Ricardo Santiago, who is driving a 2015 Jeep Patriot color gray. Connecticut Reg, B as in boy, S as in Sam, 96316. The vehicle was last seen in the area of Hale Road and Deming Street in Manchester at 5:19 p.m. last night. Amelia Santiago is missing and is described to be a Hispanic female with brown eyes and blonde hair. She is 11 years old, about 4'11" tall, and weighs 120 pounds. She was last seen wearing unknown color clothing and glasses. If you see or have any information regarding the whereabouts of the child or the 2015 Jeep Patriot color gray, please call 911 immediately. Do not attempt to approach these subjects as you might put yourself and the child in danger. This is an Amber Alert.